This video demonstrates how to replicate VOX features using PowerShell. The focus is on managing Python virtual environments efficiently. Here are the key steps covered. 1. Creating a new Python virtual environment. The video walks through the process of setting up a new Python virtual environment using PowerShell. It emphasizes the importance of isolating Python dependencies for different projects. 2. Using VOX PowerShell script. A custom PowerShell script inspired by VOX features streamlines virtual environment management tasks. The script allows users to create, activate, and deactivate virtual environments seamlessly within the PowerShell environment. 3. Adding a free text to-do note to a PDF file. After creating the virtual environment, the video demonstrates how to enhance productivity by adding a free text to-do note to a PDF file. A Python program is used to accomplish this task. Overall, the video provides practical insights into leveraging PowerShell for Python development, including virtual environment setup and productivity-enhancing features.